At the gym, I don't know exactly what I did, but the right side of my lower back feels like it's so compressed and it's actually like literally going down my hamstrings. So I don't know what you put into the air, but you know I needed to.
There we go. Relax for me. Wow. It's probably the best mid-back one we've had so far today. One more here.
Oh, God.
Beautiful. This side. There we go.
Oh, there we go.
There we go.
Oh, my God.
That was a good one.
That was a good one.
Got them both. At least we got those.
Oh, that one did it.
What? I'm so confused.
It's just this side of my body, I'm telling you. I don't know what I did.
One side was like not having it. The other side was
The other
like...
side's like, let's just all the way through. I don't know.
There it is.
Oh, yep, there it goes.